Welcome back to another lesson. You've filmed, edited, and refined your video. Now it's time for uploading and optimizing your video. A great video can go unnoticed if it's not presented correctly. That's why uploading strategically and optimizing your content is essential. Let's begin. Step 1. Writing compelling titles and descriptions. Your title is the first thing viewers see. It often determines whether they'll click on your video or scroll past it. A good title is clear, engaging, and optimized for search. Start by including relevant keywords that describe your topic. Think about what your audience might type into YouTube's search bar. For example, instead of writing, "How I make videos," try "How to edit YouTube videos like a pro." Step-by-step tutorial. Notice how the second title is specific, searchable, and promise value. Avoid using clickbait or misleading titles. They may attract clicks but damage your credibility. Your description supports your title and provides more context about your video. In the first 2 lines, summarize what viewers will learn or gain. This section appears in search previews, so make it attention-grabbing. After that, you can include a longer description with timestamps, links to your social media handles. Descriptions also help YouTube's algorithm understand your content. Remember, well-written titles and descriptions help viewers and YouTube find your content easily. Step 2. Utilizing tags effectively. Tags are another important part of YouTube SEO. They help the platform understand the context of your video and connect it with similar content. Start by adding specific tags that describe your topic. Then include broader tags that relate to your niche, such as YouTube growth or video production. Avoid using irrelevant or trending tags that don't match your video. You can find effective tags using tools like TubeBuddy and vidIQ. They help YouTube categorize your video correctly. Step 3. Creating custom thumbnails. Your thumbnail is your video's first impression. It's the visual invitation that makes viewers stop scrolling and click. Instead of relying on YouTube's auto-generated thumbnails, always create custom thumbnails. A good thumbnail should be bright, clear, and easy to read. Use bold text, expressive images, and contrasting colors to grab attention. Make sure your thumbnail represents the actual content of your video. Avoid using misleading visuals, as they can lower audience trust and watch time. Thumbnails with faces and emotions often perform better because they create a personal connection. You can design your thumbnails easily using tools like Canva, Photoshop, or Snappa. A consistent thumbnail style helps your channel look professional and recognizable. S4. Adding end screens and cards. Once your video is ready, you can use end screens and cards to keep viewers engaged. End screens appear in the last 20 seconds of your video. They can promote your other videos, playlists, or encourage viewers to subscribe. You can add a Watch Next video suggestion or a clickable subscribe button at the end of upload. Cards, on the other hand, are small interactive links that appear during your video. They can direct viewers to related content, a playlist, or even a poll. Use cards strategically at moments when you mention related topics. Both end screens and cards are powerful tools for keeping viewers engaged. The longer viewers stay engaged, the higher your content ranks in YouTube's algorithm. 5. Uploading with optimization in mind. When uploading your video, fill out every detail carefully: title, description, tags, thumbnail, and end screens. Each element contributes to discoverability and engagement. Choose the right category for your content and add subtitles or closed captions for accessibility. Finally, double-check your video's visibility settings. Set it to public. Uploading is a strategic process that ensures your hard work gets the attention it deserves. Optimizing your uploads transforms good videos into successful ones. Remember, every small detail counts. So, take your time with this step, because optimization isn't just about clicks, it's about growth. In upcoming videos, we will talk about growing your YouTube audience and much more. Thank you.